Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Revoke.cash for safer token approvals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Revoke.cash and press enter. Once the page loads, you will see the home screen. Look for the Connect Wallet button. Click on it to proceed. A list of wallet options will appear. Choose the wallet you want to connect. For example, if you use MetaMask, select it from the list. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Log into your wallet if prompted, and allow it to connect. Once connected, you'll see your token approvals on the screen. Take a moment to review the list of approvals. Identify any tokens you wish to revoke access for. Click on the token you want to modify. A confirmation message will pop up. Follow the prompt to revoke the token approval. Wait for the transaction to be processed. After a few moments, you'll receive a confirmation. Your token approval has now been revoked successfully. Repeat these steps for any additional tokens as needed. That's it, you're now logged into Revoke.cash for safer token approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.